Hello everyone, today we are looking at the silver Hornbill Smart Deadbolt for your modern home. You can unlock this device using your fingerprint, a passcode, or the convenient mobile app. The advanced sensor recognizes your print in under 1 second for incredibly fast entry. This smart lock features an automatic locking function, so you never have to worry about security. It stores up to 50 fingerprints and 100 unique codes for family and guests. Installation takes only a few minutes with a simple screwdriver and requires no extra drilling at all. This durable aluminum alloy lock is built to last and works perfectly with Alexa voice control. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.